Hello everyone, in this video I show you how to hard reset Samsung Galaxy Tab S10, S10 FE. The first step is to connect your tablet to a running PC. This is not optional. If you do not connect to the PC, your tablet will not enter recovery mode. Press the power and volume down keys simultaneously to restart the tablet. When the tablet restarts, you need fast to press the volume up and power keys at same time. The tablet now is in recovery mode. In the recovery menu we navigate with the volume buttons and validate with the power button. Navigate to wipe data, factory reset, and press the power button. Go to Factory Data Reset and press the power button. All data is deleted and all the settings are restored to factory settings. And last step, press the power button to reboot the tablet. Thanks for watching. If this tutorial was useful, please hit the like and subscribe button. Have a nice day. Goodbye.